Okay, this midpoint can actually be a little fun because not only can we find what the average of a particular line, we can also, if we do not know only the beginning and the mid, we can find the end or vice versa. So let's take a look at a situation like that. M is the midpoint of line segment AB. A has a coordinate of 2, 2, and M, which is the midpoint, have coordinates of 4, -3. So here we are asked to find B, which is the end point of our line. Okay, excellent. Step 1, we want to let the coordinates of B equal XY. So here we'll let B equal X, Y. Okay. Step 2. Step 2, we want to use the midpoint formula and use that formula, and we'll just go ahead and substitute our values as we go. So again, we said the coordinates for M, which is, actually let's go ahead and let's go M, and then we have X1 plus X2 divided by 2, and we have Y1 plus Y2 divided by 2. Okay, so now we have that set up. Let's just go ahead now and do our substitution. So this is going to give us, since we know our M, this will give us 4, -3. This is what's given. And we will have equal to, and that's going to equal to 2. Okay. And plus X, the second point, and comma 2, which is our first Y value, plus Y. We don't know the second point. Okay, so we're going to put both over 2, close our parentheses. Now, we need to, step 3, we need to find our X coordinates. Okay, so we'll do this because literally we need to find both X and Y, so we'll do it in steps. Let's go with finding the X first. So we know that X is 4 for our M, so we will just say 4 is equal to 2 plus X divided by 2. Okay, so we're looking for X. So if that's the case, we see that 2 plus X is being divided by 2, so we'll have to multiply every single term, or both sides actually. 2 plus X over 2 by 2. Okay. Now, my 2's are going to cancel out, and that's going to give me 8 is equal to 2 plus X. Okay. Again, my 2's are going to cancel, and that's just going to give me what's on top, 2 plus X. Okay, So now, again, I'm solving for x, so I need to subtract 2 from both sides. So that will be 8 minus 2 is equal to 2 minus 2 plus x. This will give us 6 is equal to x. Okay, so we found our x of b. Actually, remember we're looking for b, the second point, so we found x. So let's see, can we find y using the same concept? So find y. Again, we know y is a -3, so let's substitute -3 is equal to 2 plus y divided by 2. And again, what do? Since 2 is being divided, we need to multiply both sides by 2. -3 times 2 is equal to 2 plus y divided by 2 times 2. Again, this is going to give us a -6 on the left side, but when we cross out, this is going to give us 2 plus y. Okay. Well, we need to isolate y, so let's just go ahead and subtract 2 plus 2 plus y is equal to -6 minus 2. Okay, so -6 plus a -2 is going to give us a -8, and 2 plus a -2 is just going to give us y. So here we have our y value, which is a -8. So the only thing we have to do now is just look at our ordered pairs, and of course our ordered pairs here is 6 and a -8. So 6 -8 is going to give us our b value. Now we can always check this by going to the coordinate planes and graphing 2, 2 for A, 4, -3 for M, and 6, -8. And you will see that it appears to be the end point of the midpoint of line segment AB. So again, we can use this particular formula not only to find the midpoint, but also to find the end points of a line segment. See you soon.